Hey guys, welcome to Mikey Basson. I'm gonna do my mystery tackle box unboxing for the month of April. I already opened it up and seen the side of it. So let's get to it. Here's the card that tells you what you get. There's this sticker with the skeleton and a fishing pole. That's pretty cool. First off, we have the IMA Square Bill, which is $9.99. It's like a crawfish color. I'll get it out for you. Nice little square bill. Good color. Got some rattle. Some sticky hooks. I can get this thing back in here. Let's leave it out. Alright, next is a Strike Pro Montero. Strike Pro. Okay. This is jerk bait. If I didn't mention that, IMA Square Bill was $9.99. I think I mentioned it already. This is the Strike Pro Montero. Yeah. This is in a, doesn't really say the color. A little jerk bait. It's a whitish with a pinkish back or a pinkish bottom. So, okay. Now we got the Stan Sloan Zorro baits. The banjo blade. This is a Wesley Strader series spinnerbait. It's a 3/8 ounce. Looks pretty good. Nice color, like a chartreuse kind of color. Alright. Next we got the River to Sea Rig Walker. This little paddle tail swim baits. Have to try that out. The color is emerald. Yeah. It's a weird looking color, but I'm sure it will work somewhere. Try it out and see. Okay. Next is the Kesh Cove Flicker Worm. If I didn't mention the Banjo Blade spinnerbait was $7.49 and the River to Sea Rig Walker was $7.89. This Flicker Worm $3.49. The Kesh Cove Pro Series. Kind of like a shaky tail, or rig it on a shaky head. Kind of reminds me of that, what's that called? Like the big bite baits, creek tail, a squirrel worm or whatever that's called. Kind of looks like that. But yeah. The bottom is flat, so yeah, have to try that out. See if it's, don't really have a scent to it. Alright. And this is a new product, an exclusive color. I don't know the color. It doesn't say what color it is. Alright. Then, last but not least, we got the Mustad Ultra Point, the big mouth hooks, and a 4/0. And these are $2.87. You get 3 in a pack. So these are good. I've used plenty of these. So the 4/0, that's what I use mostly. So yeah, that's a pretty good box. And you get your double digest, which y'all know that. And you get this little other card. It says sign up for Mystery Tackle Box mobile alerts, and their Snapchat, so you can follow Mystery Tackle Box. But yeah, this is a pretty good box. Yeah. Also, I want to shout out Keep It Real Fishing Clothing Company, and go check them out. Their shirts and hats and hoodies, they're all sweet looking. And also the favorite rods, I've been using them for a while now, and yeah, I swear it's one of the best rods that I've ever used. I'm not gonna use another brand. And yeah, I hope you like, subscribe, comment if you want. Yeah, thank you for watching.